Welcome to the Plants4Presents nursery here in Sussex. Today I wanted to show you our top picks for Valentine's Day 2023. So I brought together a few of our favourite plants for this year. Classic red roses, always going to be a favourite. These are bred to be indoor flowering plants, so they will flower for several weeks in a cool room. They're small miniature roses, but in February to have this bright colour and to have that long lasting flower is really lovely. We've done them as a single pot this year, also as a double planted container, so you get more flowers in a lovely vintage trough. Mixed together as a little planted arrangement here, so again you've got the longer lasting flowers complementing the red roses, so we've got some primulas, hyacinths, dianthus and the little Valentines pick, just to make it a nice little display. Again, this will last for several weeks on a cool room, and the roses can be planted outside in the garden as well, and they will come back in the garden year after year, but more of the time of year you'd expect roses, so in the summer rather than at the moment in February. Doesn't always have to be roses for Valentine's either. So we often sell a lot of orchids for Valentine's Day. Again, they last, they're beautiful. These lovely wild orchids here have got so many buds and beautiful little white flowers. They make a really gorgeous gift for Valentine's. Or go a bit off-piste. Houseplants are in. We've got loads of gorgeous British grown houseplants like these fiddle leaf figs. You can choose a statement pot for them to go in, and these make great gifts for guys or girls or friends or mums or whoever you want to send to celebrate Valentine's this year. As well as the fiddle leaf fig, you can see behind us we've got lots and lots of different houseplants that will all make a really unusual and special gift this year. So if you're looking for inspiration, pop onto our website plants4presents.co.uk. Thanks for watching.